We've got ShopRite at our Culinary Center and talking all things beef. We're really getting into it hands-on with Certified Angus Beef.
My name is Gavin Pinto and I'm a brand chef for Certified Angus Beef. We're doing burgers, we're doing steaks, we're doing all kinds of different cuts. Just talking about how to make the best beef shine even more by cooking it just right.
So I just joined Certified Angus Beef and ShopRite on this amazing trip, and it was really all about learning about what Certified Angus Beef is all about and what their mission is and how that sort of incorporates into ShopRite.
My main thing is Italian food, so being able to learn from amazing chefs that we met there and all the cooking techniques of grilling and making steaks, it has just been an amazing experience.
Working with the chefs helped us to be able to expand our dish making skills and also try new things and new sides.
I think my favorite part of the experience was actually when we did the smash burgers on the flat top grills. It was amazing. I also love learning about the different cuts of beef and what I should be looking for when I go to the food store. I'm really excited to put into use some of the tips that we learned, how to make great burgers, how long to cook the steak, how to put the steaks on the grill, and things that we should do and shouldn't do when we're cooking meat.
So I had the opportunity to work with other influencers, which I've personally never done before, and we were all sort of different. I mean, we had our, home cooks, but then we also had our chefs, and just leaning on each other and learning from each other in this great experience.
After this experience in just 2 days, I feel way more confident. I can't wait to go back to New York, go in my backyard and start cooking meat again, because I really loved everything that we cooked and eat together.
All the different cuts of meat and working with the chefs has been amazing. I'm not starving anymore, I'm full for the next week.
People should look for Certified Angus Beef because it's the guarantee of quality. We live in that upper tier in marbling when you look at steaks. It translates over to ground beef too. That quality is in every bite.
Remember to look for Certified Angus Beef at your local ShopRite, because we are the only beef that guarantees flavor. The marbling of the Certified Angus Beef brand will really give you that juicy, flavorful eating experience that everybody wants in a good steak or burger.